Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chevy Equinox LT in jet black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D5812.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.